To properly maintain and adjust the clutch lever on your Indian Chief, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat, level surface, and allow the vehicle to cool completely. Inspect the entire length of the clutch cable for any damage to the external casing. Also inspect any exposed cable wire for fraying, kinks, or corrosion. Replace any cables that are damaged, sticky, or sluggish. Move down to the cable connection near the primary cover and remove the lower cable E-clip. Then remove the cable guide fastener and set the guide aside. Next, use an adjustable wrench with a shop rag to rotate the clutch shaft arm until the tension has been released from the cable. Rotate the cable barrel out of the clutch shaft arm and release the clutch shaft. Pull the cable down and out of the mounting boss. On the left handlebar, unscrew the bottom hinge nut. Then push the pivot pin upward and remove from the handlebar. Remove the clutch lever and rotate the cable barrel out of the lever. Remove any old grease and dirt from the lever, housing, and cable ends. Lubricate the clutch lever and pivot screw with Moly assembly grease or all-purpose grease. Also apply a thin coating of all-purpose grease to both clutch cable ends. Do not lubricate between the cable and sheath. Reinstall the clutch cable into the lever housing. Install the clutch lever into the handlebar and align the pivot pin hole. Reinstall the pivot pin fully. Then reinstall the nut and torque to specification. Clean any residual grease off the handlebar. Rotate the clutch shaft arm and reconnect the clutch cable into the lower cable housing. Reinstall the lower cable guide fastener and torque to specification. Then reinstall the E-clip and ensure the cable is properly routed into the mounting boss and cable bracket. Next, measure the clutch lever free play between the clutch lever and the clutch lever mounting bracket. If adjustment is needed, the clutch cable adjuster nut is located along the lower left frame. While holding the clutch cable, slide the rubber protective boot away from the lock nut. Loosen the lock nut. While holding the cable, turn the cable adjuster inward or outward until the clutch lever free play is set to specification. While holding the adjuster, tighten the lock nut securely. Then, re-secure the protective boot over the adjuster. Finish by verifying proper operation of the clutch. Ensure the engine does not start with the clutch lever released and the vehicle in gear. Repeat this procedure as needed. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.